Hey guys, in this video we're going to walk you through the awesome process of creating your very own animated character using Adobe.
How to make cartoon animation video with mobile using AI. So as I've told, it's with mobile, so why am I showing the desktop view? Okay, so it's because you can do it with the both thing, like both devices, with Android or with desktop. Both are suitable for this thing. So how you can actually do the animations inside your mobile phone? So first go to your mobile phone, then in the search tab, like in the PC and the mobile, procedures are the same thing, but just see how we just do that thing. Search for Adobe Express Audio to Animation. Okay, with this thing, just search for it, click enter. So in the first link, as you can see, it says animate your audio for free. So this is already free. Okay, just click on the first one, click on start now. Then okay, then it will load for some time, and then this kind of page will appear on your screen. So now in here, as you can see, there's an animator, like there's an animation character in here, so you can just set it wherever you want. Let's say we don't want his leg, so we are just transforming it like this. Okay, this seems cool. Now what we want to go do is we have want to like you can also say this transparent if you want another background image. So now let's select a background from here. This one looks pretty good. So then you can go on size, and you can also edit the ratio of this video. For me, let's make it 1:9, 1, whatever it is. Let's set it to that. So this one seems pretty good. Now you can click the record button and you can start recording it. Let's record this thing. Click on allow this time. It's counting down. Okay. Hey guys, in this video we're gonna show you how you can animate Adobe. Sorry. That was a mistake. Let's pause and click on cancel if you have a bad audio. I'm hitting record again. So in this video we're gonna show you how you can make your own animation using audio. Click on done after you have already done. Then your audio will be uploaded into the Adobe Express's website. As you can see, it says submitting, so it's submitting your audio on this website. Let's see how you like it's computing to lip syncing. It means it's like syncing the audio with his mouth so that it looks pretty good. So let's see how this Adobe function works. It's pretty much done. Let's see, it's 83%. Okay, it's done. Wrapping up. Okay, it's good to go. Let's see what we have made so far. So in this video, we're gonna show you how you can make your own animation using audio. Okay, dude, look at those expressions that this character making. It's phenomenal. It's just crazy, dude. Let's just play. Okay, this is really cool. Let's check it up how this animation character looks like. Whoa, dude, I wasn't expecting this kind of result. This is really mind-blowing. Okay, you can also enhance your speech with this thing, which is Adobe's tool. I think you already know Adobe Audio Enhancer. I think you know about this thing. This is all about like it makes your audio much better than before, like studio quality. So the AI on the Adobe's thing, it makes the audio so much better than before. So you can like drag and drop your audio on here to make it sound good. So in this Adobe Express, you have the enhanced speech button to make your voice or audio quality so good. So we're gonna click on the record button again, and let's see what we are going to make so far. Let's see. Hey guys, in this video we're gonna show you how you can make your own animation anime character. Okay, we are pretty much done. It's 98% and it's completed. Let's see what we have made so far. Okay, let's hit play. I'm really excited to see the results.
Hey guys, in this video we're gonna show
Dude, this audio are not matching with his gender. He's female and my voice. Dude.
you how you can make your own animation anime character using only your audio.
I don't know you have noticed or not. We have pressed that button to enhance audio, so it just enhanced the audio.
So this Adobe Express website feels so great, and you can also do this with your mobile phone with like visiting this new express adobe.com. This
Okay, now as you have noticed, it's a girl character and my voice is not like matching with this thing. So we're gonna use a website named Augie. Just click on that thing. Okay, now we're gonna log in. Okay, after logging in, as you can see, we have to click on create and then click on here. So let's make a script. Hey. Okay, as you can see, we have made the script. Now we can use ChatGPT to make it more fun. Like in the script, just I'm pasting the script. Let's say rewrite casually and bring life to the thing. I'm gonna use it. Okay, let's see what ChatGPT brings us. False, I don't need that. Okay. Hey guys, and then we're gonna paste it. Whoa. Okay, we have our script in here. Let's choose a voice. Let's see which voice is preferable with the thing.
Hi, I'm Andre, and I'll be the voice of your Augie today.
Hi, I'm Antoni and Hi, I'm Arnold and
We need a female voice.
Hi, I'm Audrey.
Hi, I'm Bill, and
Hi, I'm
Hi,
Hi, I'm Erica, and I'll be the voice of your
Okay.
Augie today.
This Erica looks cute. Just let's make the vocal. Okay, it's processing. Let's wait till it processes. See.
Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna walk you through the awesome process of creating your very own animated character using a
Dude, this is sick. Now we're gonna download the thing. Next, what we've gotta do is, as you can see, there's no option to add any recorded thing. But you're wrong. There's a button named browse. Okay, just click on that and browse thing. Okay, we're going to go with this icon and copy the path from here. Then go to the browse again. Then paste the path in here and click enter. Then we have our videos, audio on here. Just click on open. So it is uploading. Let's wait till it uploads. Okay, we're done. Let's see what we have made so far. I'm clicking on the play button.
Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna walk you through the awesome process of creating your very own animated character using Adobe. And guess what? You can pull off this magic either on your phone or your trusty PC. It's not your typical frame-by-frame animation ordeal. We're keeping it breezy and fun. No need to channel your inner animator, zero experience required. Just kick back, follow the steps showcased in the video, and let the good times roll.
Dude, this was so cute. Okay, this was hilarious that you can make this kind of good quality animation with just some steps. So I hope this video really helps you out. I know this video helped you out a lot. Just subscribe, dude. So I hope I'll see you in the next video, and bye bye, take care, bye. Okay, one thing I just forgot to mention, you can click on this download button. After signing in, then you will be able to download the video from here. Okay, I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.